Check this out. There's now a way to get 50% off this revolutionary technology for making your hair fuller, but while keeping your own hair safe and growing freely and using your hair. Here's the technology. Microstrand, on contact with the skin or scalp, it disappears. One hair at a time added onto this becomes this, one of many examples. When blended in between your own hair, it disappears. How could you possibly get 50% off? There's a catch. Number one, it's only available to a limited number of individuals and for a limited time period. Now think about this. Even if you weren't sure yet if this is for you, get the voucher. You're going to get a 50% off voucher with a special code on it, and you might as well get it. Hold on to it, look into this, see if it's something valuable for you, and then decide. You don't have to get the voucher and decide to buy anything, okay? So just get the voucher. Now there's one extra little catch too. You have to buy an audio book, which is real easy because you can listen to it on your phone. But this is special. There's an audio book right here, okay? Stop additional hair loss. You're gonna find information in here that's gonna blow your mind. It's point-by-point information on what's healthy for your hair and what isn't, and how to stop additional hair loss. And you're gonna get an audio copy, and it's discounted for you only for $9.95. So that's the little extra catch. So think about this. If you get this book for only $9.95, the audio version where you can listen to it while you're driving or whatever, and you're gonna be blown away by the information it gives you, all right? Because it's valuable information. And because you're getting that book, you're gonna get a 50% off voucher for you to use in case you decide to get the microstrand technology that makes your hair fuller, the only one in the world that makes your hair fuller while keeping your own hair safe and growing freely, and by using your own hair. So you should definitely look into it if you don't know about it already. So quick summary, all you have to do if you want 50% off is get the book, the audio book, and then you're gonna learn from the audio book. There's great information in there, and you're gonna get a 50% off voucher. But to get that 50% off voucher, there's one more little thing. You have to do modeling for us. It's real simple. You just have to provide us with your before and after picture. And if you're shy, you could even cover the face, or we can block out the face for you. So it's real simple. This is the best opportunity for you ever.